Howard Seafood began back to the early roots would be 1890 when my great-grandfather moved to location near the hatchery that we currently have, started dredging oysters in the Potomac River during the public season, was able to secure a lease adjacent to his property in about 1896, and then in the early 1900s went into partnership with his future son-in-law. A typical day at Howard Seafood looks like we're starting at 5 o'clock in the morning to clean the plant. We go through the process of shucking oysters by hand and shuck until 12, washing the product, packing the product. Then at the end of the day, we're shipping in the afternoon, receiving shelf stock in the afternoon, and about 5:30, 6 o'clock we're finished for the day. Everything's cleaned up and ready for the next day. We assure quality by having supervisors on the job that inspect quality on a regular basis, make sure that the quality is what we want to ship. If it's not there, don't ship it. If we wouldn't take it home and put it on our dinner table, then you don't want to be putting it on somebody else's dinner table. The idea of frozen half shell was actually evolved in 1989. We brought another processing operation. They had a freeze tunnel. We tried to continue to do other value-added products, and we developed the frozen half shell and also the frozen Rockefeller. The benefits of the freezing process, there's a bacteria in oysters. They call it Beaveril beneficus, and when you run through the freezing process, there are several freezing processes that are recognized as means of reducing the Beaveril beneficus numbers in oysters. It is important from the standpoint of people who have weak immune systems, have had liver problems. If in fact they ingest an oyster that has high Beaveril numbers, it could actually cause death. So the freezing process is one of several processes that knock those numbers down to the point where an individual could eat the oyster safely. Freezing process also, when the product goes to food service, which is where all of our product goes, when it gets there, you have a product that you can thaw out. Nobody has to know how to shuck it. They don't need a knife. They don't need somebody that's a skilled shucker. They can thaw the product out and serve it, and you can really hardly tell the difference between that and a fresh oyster. Sustainability is something that AJ has really brought with him when he came in 2005. We concentrate on sustainable resource and quality resource. Those two things go hand in hand, but sustainability is what allows us to produce products so we can ensure that our customers have product on a 12-month basis instead of just a few months in the winter when the public seasons are open from October through March. I think the unique thing we do is we cover all aspects of the growing process, from planting oyster shells to raising oysters, striking seed in these areas that are reproductive, to moving the seed to other areas, to having a partner in our company have a hatchery that we produce product in. Very few other companies have that in Chesapeake Bay. Our main goal is having a really good product that goes to the back door. I have two adopted sons. One is AJ Erskine, the other is Jason Kenner. Under AJ and Jason's leadership in the future, the legacy of being part of a 4-generation family will continue and thrive. I would hope Howard Seafood in the future would continue to thrive, grow, produce oysters, and meet the needs of our local employees as well as the customers that we've served for years. Oysters symbolize to me the opportunity to help clean the environment, raise something that's beneficial to the waterways of the state of Virginia, help livelihoods of people, including the families that are involved here. It's not just another product that we're producing, it's something that we take pride in producing.